When I press this OK button only, recording now started. Recording is started. Okay. Now I'm giving you a brief introduction about machine learning, deep learning. Then we are going within your steps involved in your project and how to handle your guide. Okay. Now there is a one domain called knowledge engineering. Under this domain, knowledge engineering only, you are having a artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, transfer learning, data mining, data analytics, all these things knowledge engineering. Here K is a data. Knowledge means data. Engineering means it is an algorithm or it is called intelligence. Okay, it is an algorithm or intelligence. For example, your teachers is conducting the class, they are giving the same textbook only to you so that you all are having equal knowledge only. But during the exam time, one students are scoring different mark. No, it is based on your intelligence. Correct? No. Hello? Yeah, you are based on intelligence. So that we can able to tell that intelligence is very important, like that we can tell. Similarly, your teacher is assigned one work to you, okay, about quantum computing, one new technologies he is asking. But that content is not available in internet also. It is not available in your library also. Nobody is giving the providing the data to you. Then also you are, even though you are intelligent, you can't do any work. So that both are equally important. Okay, that is the concept. Then what is meant by artificial intelligence means it is the mimic the behavior of the human. The human behavior it has to mimic. That is only it is started in 1950 during that World War II. They started this artificial intelligence. Earlier also discussion is there, but then only implementation happened from the 1950 range. It will be started. Then in machine learning will come into the picture 1980. It will come into the learning will be come into the picture 2010. The machine learning subset is a artificial intelligence subset is a machine learning. Machine learning subset is a deep learning. Okay. We can able to call it as an artificial intelligence is a car, machine learning is a luxury car, deep learning is a autopilot car, like Tesla. All the cars are not luxury cars, but all the luxury car you can call it as a car. Correct now? Similarly, all the luxury cars are not autopilot car, but all the autopilot cars are luxury car and internally it is a car. Okay. Now, face recognition, they developed in 1980 with artificial intelligence, they achieved the face recognition. How they achieved the face recognition means, you saw it in some old movies. They will, whenever the criminals are entering into the prison, they will take the photo in a three profile, straight, left, right. Have you seen that now in the movies?
Yes, okay.
Okay. They will crop the from the eyebrow to mouth. They will crop it 80 by 80 pixel. They will crop it. Then they will segment that face into 20 horizontal, 20 vertical. They will segment. So that each 400 segment will be there. Each segment will have the 16 pixel will be there. So that 1 lakh criminal images are there in the database. One criminal photo you are giving is a compare matching with whom means they will do the segment like that only 400 segment. Each photo they will take this segment will be compared with this segment 16 pixels they will compare and they will provide the score. Based on the score they will tell whether it is a matching or not. So that 1 lakh criminal faces are there. Now you are giving that the one criminal face, it has to identify means it will take more than 10 hours it will take. Okay, that is the artificial intelligence. Then machine learning come into the picture. There is comparison. We no need the entire thing. It is features are enough like that eye, eyebrow, nose, mouth, like that. These are enough. Okay, so that we can able to avoid the huge calculation and also some advantages also there. In this facial thing, what is the problem means the face will be straight. You are little bit tilt, it will not detect. You are wearing fix, without fix, it will not detect. You are having mustak and beer with without mustak, it may detect, may not detect. But here that thing will be overcome. Okay, that is a machine learning. Then deep learning. Deep learning is called neural network. Okay. This neural network, what they are telling neural network means human brain. Human brain is a neural network. 1 second, I will close the window. Actually, neural network. Neural network means how our brain will be think. No, that is called a neural network. They will tell. Now you are recognizing your friend or your teacher or anybody based on these features only. Correct? No, eyebrow, eye, nose, mouth only you are directing. Correct? No. Yes. But you will not extract all the features all the time. Sometime by seeing his eye only will tell he is your friend name. Sometime with his mouth only will tell. You are not extracting all the features. Even sometimes from the back side also you will tell who is that. Yeah. Correct? No? That is called neural network. Neural network means how it is working even we don't know. Predict, we can't able to tell that how it is working. I will give the architectural diagram of the neural network. You can see this architectural diagram. There are three layers are there: input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. You are seeing that, no? Okay. The small circles are called the neurons. Okay. Neurons are small calculation unit. Some small processing unit you can keep it. Now you are having a 2-year baby in your home. You are training the baby to identify dog and cat. You are taken one 50 dog image, 50 cat image you are taken, and you are showing the baby this is a dog, it is a cat, you are showing that. Like that you are showing that in the baby's mind some hidden layers will form, hidden neural network will be formed. What form even baby also don't know, you also don't know. Okay. Then after that you are taking a 10 images, 5 dog, 5 cat, random images. You are asking the baby showing one image, baby tell me whether it's a dog or cat. What will happen? Baby will take some input, maybe color of the animal, size of the animal, number of legs, something it will take. It will go to the brain and it will give the output dog or cat, it will give the output. Correct? No? Yes. So that first time out of 10, it may give 4 correct, 6 wrong. Among that 4, 2 may be guess also. Without confidence also she will tell. Again you train the baby. So the slightly improved, maybe 6 correct, 4 wrong. Again you are training. After 10 training, baby can able to tell all the 10 correctly. Correct, no? So that one baby need that 10 training, one baby need in a 5 training only it will be achieved. Some baby you are giving under time training also it will do mistakes. Okay, so that what is your project means selecting the correct algorithm for your data set. Okay. That is a very important thing of your project. Okay. Okay. Now I will try to. It is your architectural diagram. What we are going to do means we are going to detect the whether it is an intrusion or not with one thing with an ANN algorithm. Okay, ANN is a artificial neural network. Okay, another one with an hybrid algorithm we are doing that CLN and LSTM. I will tell you what is this now. Long shot. It is a ANN is a artificial neural network, and there is one thing called CNN is a convolution neural network. Another one is a RNN. Generally, ANN is for the numerical data, CNN for the image data, and RNN for the text data. Generally, it is like that. I want to go to Chennai means how I will go by car, but I can go by flight also. I can go by two-wheeler also. Okay. Like that, if there is no strict rule, we have to follow the thing. Generally, they will think like that only. Okay. But internally in computer, machine learning, deep learning, all are numerical data only. So that we can adapt anything. This RNN have the another improved version, that is called LSTM.
Okay.
Long short term memory. It is the next version of the RNN. The RNN will have one problem of the gradient diminishing problem. That the gradient diminishing problem they overcome with the LSTM. What is meant by the gradient diminishing problem means, suppose I will ask you where you had your breakfast today morning, you can tell. Maybe yesterday little bit difficult, you can tell, but 1 week before very difficult, you can retrieve, but 1 year before definitely will not tell. Correct, no? But it is not necessary you have to remember that 1 year before data, but that 1 year before your dinner with an very famous celebrity, maybe Sulkar or Dhoni, you had the breakfast with them means, that you have to remember it. Correct, no? That also RNN will be forgot. That is called gradient diminishing problem. To overcome that, the important long memory you have to hold and the short memory you have to hold. For that only they come up with an LSTM.
Okay.
Got it, no? So that we are making a one hybrid model, a CNN LSTM. Our ultimate aim to, we are going to classify the intrusion detection with the two model and telling that with the normal ANN compared to normal ANN, that hybrid model is giving a more accuracy. That is, we are going to search it out.
Okay, understood.
That is your research work. Okay. We got the literature survey also, you got it, no? There is a literature survey. I'll showcase you some of the data sets to you. Sample data set I'm saying, what data set we are telling to you, we have to download and we have to develop. How the data set will be there, I will showcase you. This is one data set. That is a CIC IDS 2017. Okay. These are all, we call it as some features. These all are the features. Now the last column, they will have the label. Label is whether it is a benign means normal. Some attack name is there means it is a what type of attack. You can imagine this data set with you are using Arogya Setu app, no, during Corona time.
Okay, yeah.
They will ask you your first column maybe age and second column sex, whether you are having cough or not.
Different features.
These are the features you are giving. Yeah. Based on the thing, they will be able to do that. Actually, before creating the Arogya Setu app, they will go and collect this data. Really, they will meet on 1,000 people with corona, without corona. They will collect all the data. Okay. Then they will label it. These people are no. They are not having corona. Yes, they are having corona. Like that, they will prepare it. That is called data set. Really, they will go and do the real survey. Okay. Now after that, we give to our model. It will be trained means. Then we are giving these features. It has to tell whether it is an attack or not. Got it, no?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Now you are going to one doctor. You are giving your blood test report. Doctor will able to tell you you are having this type of disease, like that. The same thing I am giving to one common person. He can't able to tell because he is not expert in that area. Correct, no?
Yes.
The doctor is extracting the feature from your blood test report and is predicting your problems. Like that, one doctor we are creating, that is called expert system. We are doing it in your project. Okay. Now, what are the steps involved in your project? First one is a data collection. We will collect like that some data set. We have to collect it. I maybe mentioned in a proposal. We'll have the things. Then the data we have to load the data. Load the data into your Jupyter notebook or Python program. We have to do that. Second thing will be data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means we will check for the null value. We'll check for the what is the things label encoding. Every data will be in a numerical form we want. Something will be text form will be there. We have to convert into number system. We have to convert. Then we will do the feature selection. Feature selection in the sense, for example, the corona case only will tell you. For example, they are measuring your height and weight also in that case. Okay, you are having the cough will have more correlation with whether you are having corona or not. That label class. Whereas your height and weight will not have the definite correlation with whether you are having corona or not. Correct? No?
Yes.
Okay. So that based on that we calculate the importance for the each feature. We are taking that the top 10 features or top 20 features are only positive features. Like that we will select that important things only. So that unnecessary things we are get rid of. So that the computation will be less, quick process will happen. That is called feature selection. Then once we selected the features, then we will make that all the features will be X and the class will be Y. We will make it.
Okay.
We will make it. These are the features. And this is a class.
Classes. Okay.
We make it, this is an X, this will be Y.
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 Okay.
Okay. Now there are one example, 1000 records are there means we will do that 80% and 20% we will make it. Then 80% we will call it as a training and this 20% we call it as a testing.
Okay.
Your teacher is preparing 1000 question and answer. He'll give 800 question answer to the students and train them also. Another 200 question he will not give to the student because he want to conduct the test now to check your performance. So that is a testing. Then this become that the X train. This become the Y train. This become that X test. And this become the Y test. Actually in the Y test something will be there, real answers are there. 0 means no, 1 means yes, 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 0 will be there like that. Okay. Now this X train and Y train data we are given to the two students. In your project 2 models. CNN also I am giving, CLSTM also I am giving. And we train the model. Once you are saturated, when your teachers also given the question your course study material, you prepared, you saturated, it will come for the exam, no? Like that you are coming that. During that time, they will give that the questions only. They will not give the answers. So that you are going to give the answer, that is called Y predict. So that you are giving the answer 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Like that you are giving the answer. So that they will evaluate this thing. It is a correct. This is a correct. It is a wrong. It is a correct. It is a correct. Like that they will evaluate. So that you got out of 200, 180 marks. Your friend is got 150 marks like that. Then we will compare that. Compare to you, your friend is weak. So that this model is best. Like that we can able to conclude.
Okay.
That is a real thing we are going to do that. Here that is the pre-processing, we are keeping X and Y. The third step is a data splitting. In the data splitting, you have to give X and Y as an input. It will give an output X train, Y train, X test and Y test. Then fourth one, model building. We have to build the model. ANN separately we have to build. CLSTM we have to do. That is the input layer, hidden layer, output layer. We have to arrange it. Then after that, model training. For model training, we have to give X train and Y train. We have to give. Then once the model will be trained, will be over, means we have to go for model testing. For model testing, we have to give input X test we have to give, and we will get an output. What output will get? Y predict. We get an output Y predict, correct? No?
Okay, and predictions.
Predictions will get. That is a student answer. Then seventh one, model evaluation. In the model evaluation, we have to give an input Y predict and the original answer. That is a Y test. Correct? No? The teacher will be correct it, no? Like that evaluation. Based on that, it will give you accuracy score, confusion matrix, and classification report. Then after that, this all are satisfied, means we have to save the model. If it is not satisfied, means again we have to rebuild the model. This step will be keep on repeating until we get the accurate result.
Okay.
Satisfied or saturation level. Suppose you training the baby is not giving correct, you will train the baby in a different method. Okay, different method. Some saturation level will be there. Even you want to make your son will be a very good cricket batsman, you will try some extent. More than that we can't do it, no. Like that we can try our level best. Okay, then saturation we will save the model. Then after that what we will do means, we will create a inference file. In the inference file, it is for the this model, it is giving that it is a 90% accurate is giving that. Maybe CNN is giving a 85, your CLS team is giving a 93% accurate. So that we will compare that, we are telling that CLS team is the best model we are declaring. Okay. The inference file means during the corona time also, government allowed Covishield and Covaxin only outside. Got it? No? They are not allowed other medicines because they are filed in that confusion matrix only they filed.
Okay.
You got it? No? They are not giving the good accuracy. So that once we come out, we are taking, government is suggested all us to take that. After we are taking the Covaxin, Covishield also, we are getting corona, no?
Yeah, okay.
Because 92% only correct means 8% chances are there, no? Wrong it will become, no?
Okay.
Okay. That is the thing. So that we inference file what we will do means we will give the input data. We will give the input data. That input data will go for the pre-processing. Pre-processing means all the things it will come. That is null value thing, feature selection, normalization, all this thing will be there. Then it will go to the your model. That is we saved the model, no? This model has to loaded here. Load CLSTM model, we have to load that, and the loaded model it will give. That model will give you the result. We have to believe that result.
Okay.
The saved model will be come and load it here. It is like that one car manufacturing company is there. They are preferring two engineers that are giving the two engines. They will test it. Which engine is pakka? That engine they will keep it and put it in the final fitting model. No, like that.
Okay.
These are the steps involved in your project. And coming to you want to handle your guides means. now you can able to tell them you are learning the machine learning deep learning technique. You know only machine learning only. Now you are learning that the ANN other thing. I am searching for the data whether we mention the data set or not. I will check that.
IoT something is very.
It is there. No.
Enough. Yeah.
It's IoT based thing. So that I am finding the data set and I am loading the data set and fine tuning that data set. You can be able to tell them. I am doing the. I am in the pre-pro. I am installing the Jupyter notebook. All these things. Then data set collections. I am uploading and I am doing the pre-processing work. Then I am learning about the ANN and CLSTM. I am learning like that. You can be able to tell them.
Okay, I can say now. Okay.
Like that you can be able to tell them.
Like, is there any reference for that, or just Google it and get the information on the AN and the CLSTM?
CNN and ANN, you can get it from the Google only. You can take it out. And I will give you for data pre-processing thing partial code. Maybe before you are going to next meet your guide, I will give you the data pre-processing. I will give to you.
27th is my meeting actually.
No, before that I will give you that data pre-processing. I will give you. So that you can able to manage with the data pre-processing with your guide for 1, 2, 3 meetings you can manage. With it will come EDA also, visualization also will know there. Graph and everything will give to you. Okay, so that you manage. Meanwhile, I can give the ANN model, CLSTM model, everything all together I can give to you. So that one time you can show ANN model 2 meetings you can manage, CLSTM 2 meetings you manage. Then inference file I will give you the testing evaluation. Then you can able to, we side by side will start your reporting work. We can do that, yeah.
Okay. And when I'll get the final thing, the final code, everything?
When you, we want on 10-15 days also I can deliver you.
No, that's fine. As early as possible I need it. Because I need to install all these things in my machine and...
No, we will do that. Don't worry. You don't do that. I will ask my team when I'm giving you the data pre-processing. Maybe I can give you on Tuesday. I will give you your data pre-processing thing. Tuesday is what is the date? It is 25th. I will give you. 25th. I will give you. Okay. Maybe my team will be, maybe Jawahar, one guy will be there. He will install and he will give the code for you Tuesday.
At least for the showcasing thing, like I have to show him because he's very strict. My compared to Yogesh, my instructor is very strict actually. He asks each and everything in detail.
No problem, no problem. You know basic Python, no?
Yeah, I know Python. Okay.
Okay, that's okay. That's enough.
Like,
that is enough. That is enough. Okay, that is enough. I will give that your partial code on the Tuesday. I can give you. Okay, you can take it and do that. Okay, thank you.
And for some time, like I can install some Jupyter notebook and then like I'll keep some one or 2, 3 functions study so that I can show him. So
yeah. No. I will give you Tuesday. I will give you the pre-processing work. I will give you. That is a big work. That only I will educate you how to delete the cell. You can what content I am giving. You can manage your guide for next 2 meetings. You will manage them. We'll educate you how to delete the copy. You have to make one duplicate copy. Delete the partial thing and show the partial thing only to them. Okay.
Okay. Then fine.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.